standard, I am going to talk about arithmetic progression. Arithmetic progression is a sequence of numbers which also leads to the succeeding and the preceding term of the numbers. Arithmetic progression has many formulas like A, N, D, A, N and Sn. I am going to explain about each of the formulas. The first formula is A. A is also known as the first term of A, refers to the first term of the AP. Its symbol is denoted by the A. If an AP is given, its first term is also called as the A. Second one is D. D is the sequence of the numbers which the preceding number is minus to the succeeding numbers. It is also called as the common difference. It is denoted by the symbol D. Next is N. N is the number of the terms in an AP. If a AP is given, N is denoted by the number of the terms. It is denoted by the symbol N. Next is AN. In an AP, AN is refers to the number of the terms in an problem. AN formula is AN is equals to A plus N minus 1 into D. AN is also known as the general form of the AP. Next is SN. Sn refers to the sum of the numbers of the AP. Its formula is Sn is equals to n by 2 2a plus n minus 1 into d. It is used to calculate the sum of the numbers in an AP problem. Based on these formulas, I am going to explain a problem based on AN. Question is, if the third term and the ninth term of an AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of the AP is 0? Let's find the solution for this problem. The first step, I will find the value of the D. If the third term and the ninth term is 4 and minus 8 respectively, I will write it as A3 is equals to 4 and A9 is equals to minus 8. I'll split A3 into A plus 2D. A plus 2D value is 4. So I'll write A is equals to 4. Here 2D plus 2D goes to this side and it becomes minus 2D, and we'll consider it as equation number 1. Next, I'll take AN is equals to minus 8. I'll split AN into A plus 8D. A plus 8D value is minus 8. I'll write here from the equation number 1, A value is 4 minus 2D. Therefore, I'll write for A value, I'll put 4 minus 2D plus 8D is equals to minus 8. Here, minus 2D plus 8D is equals to 6D is equals to minus 8 plus 4 goes to this side and it becomes minus 4, and 6D is equals to minus 8 minus 4 comes to minus 12. D is equals to minus 12 by 6. Here 6 ones are 6 and 6 twos are 12, it will cancel, and therefore we come to know that D value is minus 2. Common difference is minus 2. Now let's find the value of the N. In the second step, we came to know that from equation 1 we have A minus 4D. In equation number 1 we don't know the value of D. So here I will substitute the value of D. A is equals to 4 minus 2D. A is equals to 4 minus 2. D value we know that from equation number 1 we have found that D value is minus 2. Here I'll write 4 as it is, and minus 2 becomes plus 4. A is equals to 8. We have came to know that A value is 8, and from the first equation we have came to know that D value is 8. A is equals to 8, D is equals to minus 2, and we have to find that which term is 0. So an is equals to 0, and n we have to find the n value of the n. I will put the formula. An is equals to a plus n minus 1 into d. We know that an value is 0 is equals to a value is 8 plus, as the formula I have written, n minus 2, and d value is n minus 1, d value is minus 2. I will write 0 as it is equals to 8 comes like that only, and 2 into n, 2n, minus into minus plus. I will write 2 as it is, 0 as it is, here 8 plus 2, 10, minus into plus minus, so 2n I will write minus 2n. Here 0 is nothing of the value, so I will write 2n is equals to 10 comes to this side, and 2n is equals to 10. I will write n value is 10 by 2. 2 and 10 cancels in the table. 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 10. Therefore, n value is 5. Fifth term is 0. By this solution, we have found that fifth term becomes 0.